There are three main ways to capture a screenshot. The first method is by using the power button and volume down button. If you press both of these buttons at the same time, you will easily capture a screenshot. You can also use your palm, and you can swipe with your palm from left to right or from right to left like this. And this also allows you to capture a screenshot. And the third option is to use quick settings, so we can swipe from the top like here and go to this panel to try to find the screenshot option. It is actually not added by default, so you might want to press the pen icon in the top right corner, press edit, and then over here you should be able to find take screenshot somewhere in available buttons. Tap to add it, press down twice in the top right corner, and now if you press this button, a quick panel will hide itself and you will capture a screenshot. For the palm gesture, if it doesn't work for you, if it's not working, then in the settings you want to go to advanced features, then choose motions and gestures and make sure that palm swipe to capture is enabled. Besides that, we can also capture a partial screenshot. More precisely, use any of the methods to capture the full screenshot. And then over here in the bottom right corner we have this icon for cropping. And now, using corners that are highlighted, we can crop the screenshot so that we can capture only the selected area as we wish. And then we have additional tools here, and we can press save by using this arrow. And there is also the scrolling screenshot, which is available if you have an app on which you can scroll all the time, or a website. And this also works for websites. So first, once again, capture the full screenshot. And then over here in the same spot, we have arrows, and this time these two arrows, and if we tap on them, then as you can see we are scrolling and we keep extending the screenshot. And that is all. Check out this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, subscribe.